All right, we're at the local Target. It's gonna be a rainy weekend, so what better way to deal with it than looking for some baseball, football, basketball cards. So I'm gonna go into the local Target, see what I can find. So I need my box break fix. Maybe I'll hit something today. Let's see. All right, here's all the different cards they have. Not seeing anything new. There's this Topps Chrome Update series. I might grab that. Looking down here. Not seeing anything that I'm really interested in. But I need to get something. I need to open something today. Let's see if there's any Disney Lacona cards. Not into Pokemon. I don't know much about them. But yep, this is everything. So let's see what I pick up and I'll bust it open. Okay, leaving Target. I did get something, although there wasn't much to choose from. But I'm gonna bust it open. Hopefully I get some hits. So I did end up getting the Topps Chrome Update. There wasn't much I was interested in, but you can't go wrong with these. Maybe I'll get something good. So, you know, my Yankee fan, so any kind of the Yankee players I like. Maybe we'll get real lucky and get some kind of autograph. So I'm gonna go right into it right now before I go home. All right. I hate the plastic here, but that's what they make keys for. Got my trusty assistant who loves me collecting cards. I think I check over her closet. So what do we get here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs, right? 4 cards each. So make sure you're close enough so we can see the cards. And it's really the
you keep moving. Chrome. Now it's all right,
yeah.
There we go.
Okay, ready? Let's see if we get anything good. Randy Vasquez, rookie. And we got this pink refractor. That's okay. Now, if you don't like the angle, blame my trusty wife. She doesn't know what she's doing.
I'm trying not to get the messy car.
So we'll go. Pack number 2. Ronnie would know most of it. Oh, that's a decent card. Mike Trout. Right? Pretty good. And nothing else there. Keep it zoomed in, man. People want to see the cards.
It is. You
Normally
keep moving it all around.
Normally I don't open these in the car. I like to do it in peace and quiet. Oh, I got 5 cards in this pack. And you do get 2 sepia refractors. So we got Xavier Edwards. Those okay. What someone did I actually know? Let's see. Here's a blue refractor. Michael Bush. Oh, it is numbered. Give me a sec. 156 out of 199. So, decent. Mike Trout Action Stars. I'll take that. So I got 2 inserted Mike Trouts. Wish it was Aaron Judge, but it's okay. I've got a Titans card, Julio Rodriguez. And another pink refractor. And I think this pink refractors are exclusive to these retail boxes. I definitely think the hobby boxes are better, but maybe I'll hit a shop up on the way. I do other errands. Josh Jung. Not sure who that is. I'm down to my last pack, so I don't think I'm getting a autograph. Elvis Andrews. And that's my other sepia refractor. So nothing earth-shattering, but still fun. I hope you like this video. I'm going to be doing more types of these. I do buy quite a bit. And if I do hit a hobby shop later today, I'll show you what I buy and I'll create a video and bust it open there.